Hi everyone, this is a survival world. I need wood. But hey, you have wood? No. Where can I find wood? Look, a tree. Come on, let's go. Here's the tree. Get it. Okay. Not the dirt. The tree. Okay, so hi everyone. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Okay. First we go to creative. We need to do this in creative. Well, this is not gonna be simple, okay? This is not gonna be simple. Let's do this. I'm gonna show you everything that we need. It's oak saplings, bone meal, and eggs, and all of that, okay? Yeah, all of that. Okay, so let's start with growing a tree. If you're in a survival world, there's already a tree, I mean, you just use that tree unless it's like this, only if it's like that. Next, we dig a hole around the tree. Make sure it has to be exactly like me. Don't do that. Make sure it's all 2 blocks down. All 2 blocks, okay? Just 2 blocks. Remember that. Okay, so we put a lever here, turn it on, put redstone dust here, and then we cover the hole. You know, that's a bit weird that we did that in covering the hole, but you know why, and it's very simple. So just keep going until you can't see the hole. There we go. Now you see this is the tree, and then there's 1 block here and then 2 blocks. And then you mine the 2 blocks away. And then put a redstone torch here. It must turn off. If it doesn't, that means your lever isn't turned on, because if I turn it off, if your lever is on and the redstone torch is still on, that means you haven't put the redstone, okay? And then repeat it in all sides. No diagonal. There we go. Next, we mine up a hole like that around the redstone torch, only like that, not completely around it. And then place TNT. And then cover it again. So now you might be understanding what we're doing. If you're a redstone, that means if you already see it, you might be able to not watch the video, but you can still watch to see if your idea is wrong. Been waiting for episode 4 of Wars. If you have watched those, well, it's coming at like February 3. Okay, so be sure to go to my channel at February 3 if you want to watch Wars episode 4. And if you do all sides with TNT, you are completely done. To test it is you break the bottom log. wait, the lever must be broken and... Wow, that's a big explosion. It will be... I'm expecting it's a bit deeper if you're not in a flat world. But that's it, okay? So remember this. Okay, bye.